So today, as you can see, I recreated my courthouse wedding look, starting from the headpiece, the earrings, the necklace, the beautiful dress that I wore that everyone is asking about, and of course my Alaya mules. Let me show you. The heart mules. Cannot believe that I got that much comments and likes and shares in that video, so thank you guys so much. So I wanted to do a recreation. I actually got a makeup artist for that day, so I'll link her down below for you guys if you're interested, and if you're based in New Jersey, I highly recommend her. Her name's Crystal. So yeah, this is bringing me so many memories from that beautiful day. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that it'll be helpful for future brides out there that are looking to have a courthouse wedding or even the big wedding day. Actually, fun fact, my husband and I did an intimate wedding a month after the courthouse wedding, and we went to Italy with all of our closest friends and our family members. But if you're looking for just like a classic simple look for your courthouse wedding, just keep on watching. Alright, so I've already prepped my skin. I just got out of the shower and my hair is still a little bit wet at the bottom. But yeah, I already put moisturizer on my face, and to prep the lips also, I'm gonna use this Aquaphor Lip Repair. And then also I'm gonna use the Lumify eye drops so that my eyes are really bright. Like that. What I'm gonna do next is primer. So I'm just gonna directly put it on my skin like this. I'm gonna apply it everywhere. Hold on, I want to wear my ring. Alright, I'm back with my rings. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna apply my foundation. So the NARS Radiant Creamy. And then with my finger. So next up, I'm gonna bronze my face with this Hoola bronzing powder. Fill in my brows. And then I'm gonna use concealer. eyeshadow. I'm gonna use vanilla. Also going to use Pop Off. And I'm going to use Brunette. This is why I don't like to use brushes, is because this isn't how I wanted it to look like, and I feel like if I used my fingers I would have better control. But yeah, but we're gonna roll with it, and we're just gonna try to blend it in so that it doesn't look too crazy. Okay, I think that's fine. We're also gonna use lashes anyway, so you're not gonna see all of this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up like this part and this part. So now it looks a little better. That's really all that I'm doing for eyeshadow. And now we're going to be using this pre-glued falsies from Allure. I ordered these from Amazon, so I'll link it down below. So this is what it looks like. But first, I'm going to curl my lashes. So I'm gonna do the right eye first. Okay, so it comes like this, and it's already pre-glued, so you don't need to put glue on it or wait like 30 seconds. And it's perfect. You just pop it in like this. It's so easy, so convenient. And then I'm gonna apply the other one. And it's only like $5 too, so I really like this. So I'm gonna pop the other one. That's it. And then I'm gonna use my highlighter from Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use the Fire Crystal one, and I'm gonna pop it on my eyelid like this. Gosh, I love it. And then lipstick. So I'm using this one. This is the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Interview. Mine is really messed up. But I'm just gonna use my finger to take some of it and apply it on my lip. I'm also gonna just put a little bit of mascara on my lower lash, just very delicately, not too much, because we want this to be bridal. And that is all for the makeup. Now time for the hair. Alright, so I've just blow dried my hair and I had to move a little bit because I'm plugging everything over there. And I'm gonna be using this one. It's from T3. I'm just gonna part my hair using this scrunchie. So I'm just gonna start curling from here. I'm gonna curl in just one direction for every strand. So I'm gonna do this. So it should look like that, and then I'm just gonna put it in the back, and I'm gonna work on the other side. And again, I'm gonna use the same direction as before. And now we're gonna work on the top part. So I'm gonna put this down like this. Now, I'm gonna take the top part. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Aside like this. And then I'm gonna work on the other side. And again, using the same direction. I'm just gonna curl my hair like this. going to fix the front part. So I already parted it in the middle, and what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna apply a little bit of hair wax, because you see I have a lot of baby hairs sticking up. So I'm gonna use this one. This is from SNTE hair wax. I got this from Amazon, so I'll link it down below. Alright, so to give you a better view, this is the hair. This is the makeup. And now time to get dressed. And for shoes, I'm gonna wear these. And to accessorize, I only used these earrings and this necklace. Actually, this one was like a last minute decision because my now husband gave it to me on that day. So I'm gonna put it on. And then these earrings. And then for the main event, the birdcage veil that I got from Amazon. At first that day, I used this one. I removed this and I just used it as like a